Hello everyone, this is Rick with My Interview Practice, and for this short video, I would like to walk through our admin panel. This is the platform that administrators, coaches, instructors will use to receive feedback, create custom-built interviews, and to see the activity that's occurring with the system. So we land on the home page of our admin dashboard right here, and here's where you get to see some analytics. Now we won't get too deep in the weeds here, but as you can see, the usage by users, the number of completed interviews, the time, new users, active users, and things like that. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the popularity of different job positions and industries. Also, the time that people are generally using on the interviews, the users that are active, and the question types. So this is a brief overview. On the left side of the screen, I will next take you to the users section. This simply shows your active, inactive, or invited users. Now, if I click on any one of these users that you see right here, we will be able to see some data on how often they use the system. Now, if I so choose and I would like to go back and remove someone, I can simply click on these three dots, click delete or deactivate, and they are off the system. Next up, I want to click on build interviews. In another video, we walked through how easy it was to create a custom interview. Well, from the coach or admin perspective, you can also create a new custom interview and share it with current and future users or one by one. So in this example, we have an interview that we've created, but we would like to share it. We simply click on the share button, which provides you with a few options. From here, an administrator can select individuals that they would like to share this particular interview with. Or a very nice feature of My Interview Practice is share with all users. By selecting this button, that interview will automatically be shared with all current and future users. So, if your organization would like to be sure any new users have an interview or two waiting for them to practice once they sign in, you can utilize this without having to go back in time to see how many new users were added. It's all automatic. Last but not least, we are going to go to our review requests. This is where any interviews shared with coaches and admins will be visible. As you can see here, this lists all active requests that are outstanding that still need to be worked on. Here, this lists my requests, the ones that have been assigned to admin, and of course, any completed requests. Let's dive into this very quickly. As we can see, we have a network administrator position that has been assigned to me. Perhaps me, the admin, I'm not available, so I want to assign it to Counselor B. Or perhaps I want to remove the assignment to leave it open for anybody else to help. But now I've changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and take this back, and I am going to review this interview. To do so, I simply click on Review. And it opens up the interview that you will see in other short videos that we've created. Just like the user, the admin will be able to watch the video and leave some feedback. And they will be able to go through and do this for all of their questions. You may also remember from another video that we have the final summary. Let me click on this. Now, this will be the same 10 questions that the user was allowed to leave a grade for on themselves, but you will notice here that the administrator does not see what the user graded themselves. They will not have their judgment colored by what somebody else thought. So, the administrator will then go through and leave their own grade. As you see here, they will click down and select all of the information and give a follow-up grade and leave some final feedback. Once done, the administrator simply clicks on Post Review, and in doing so, it will send a notification to the user that they have now received feedback. And the administrator's job is now done. They have the ability to go back to review requests, work on something new, or just call it a day. So that, everybody, is a quick overview of the administrator panel. For other videos just like this, be sure to visit our support page and learn a little bit more about some other topics. That's all for today, folks. Thank you very much for watching and have a great rest of your day.